different kinds of notebooks. So let me show you what are the notebooks I made. First is the unicorn notebook which I made. But I did not make it, but I bought it from the store. But it is also one of my book collection. The second book I made is the craft book. You all will think, what will we do with this book? Yes, it has many color pages. If, for example, we are going to do a flower like this, we can use the pink color paper. We can use a ruler and tear the centimeter and the piece of paper we need to make a flower. So we can tear it and make into a flower and use these kinds of papers. And the next book I have is the unicorn book which I made. And I used light pink color craft papers for it. Look, and I pasted a little tiny unicorn sticker on the front. And it also contains white color plain pages and has more pages, and we can store and write many things on the book. And next is a girl book. For this, what I used is the same light pink color craft paper, and I first did it, and inside also it has papers, and I drew a smiley face of a girl and put some hair on it, so it looks like a girl. And when we want, we can just comb her hair, and I used woolen thread for this. Next book is the same color craft paper I used for this and this. So let me show you what this book contains inside it. The next is, I used the craft paper and look inside. It has tables of contents. Can you see? And also it has the page numbers. Let's go to the second page. Look, it has rhymes. There are many reasons to smile. Smile when you are happy. Smile when you are sad. Smile when you are merry. Smile when you feel bad. Smile when it's sunny. Smile when you play. Smile when it's bright. Smile all day. Smile when you are bored. Smile when you are told. Smile when you are angry. Smile when you feel cold. Come on, everybody. Smile, smile, smile. Take it out and put it up. Your great big smile. And this is the poem. And look, the funny faces all around the book. Next we have a story. Patti, Patti, where are you? And this is the story. We all may think that, how did I get these kind of pages? Yeah, I got these kind of pages from my sister's last year book. But she was in a small standard. She was in first standard. I got these kind of pages. The next book also the same kind of book. It has the table of content. Can you see? And here also we have a story. Shoo shoo, baby is sleeping. And also look at the next page. We also have a rhyme. Baby is sleeping. Shoo shoo shoo. Quiet you too. Shoo shoo shoo. Or she'll wake up. Shoo shoo shoo. Quiet you too. Shoo shoo shoo. Baby is sleeping. Shoo shoo shoo. Silence please. Shoo shoo shoo. Or she'll wake up. This is also a rhyme. And this is also the same notebook which like this. And the next one is the Tamil book. You all know that when we buy newspapers, we get a book with it like that. This is also the same kind of book. Look, it also has Tamil wordings inside it and a Tamil name Devadai. And we have two books like same. This is yellow and this is blue. And now let me show you the next one. This is amazing, but it looks so plain, but it will be so amazing. So now let me show you. Look, this has sticky notes on it. We can just tear it, and if we want we can stick it. It's sticky note pages, and I pasted pink color and yellow color. And the next one I have is the same kind like these both. But in these both I stuck for the outer places color paper. But here I have pasted a front cover page. Look, this has red color and this has green color, but the pictures are same. Running. Here also they are running. Okay, so now let's see. This is the activity book. Assessment report card. And look at this. Here we have an activity. Letter sounds. Here we have a telephone. We have yes. Options are yes, A and T. So for telephone it starts with T. So we have to circle T like that. We have a mini activity page over here. And this is the last page. And this is also the notebook I made. And next is the notebook which has lines on it. It has 2 lines. And we can write something. And I got these pages from diaries. You all have seen that diaries have these kind of pages, and I took it from diary. And this is the next book. This is the long sized book. This has white pages. And next is the book. It looks like a school classwork notebook, isn't it? Yeah, it has a cover and it has the same white pages inside it. And next is the prettiest notebook, and this also I used the same pink color craft paper. And I pasted a little tiny star sticker on its front. And backside too. And look, it has sandal colored pages inside it. And this is the drawing notebook which I made, and it's too long, so we can draw inside it. And you also may think, from where did I get this cover? Yeah, come on, look over here. White. Have you seen this in poster colors? Look, Faber-Castell poster colors premium. I got it from that, but it's too tiny, so no one can see it and find my secret. And look, I have also, it's a drawing notebook, so I have also did some tape and I pasted it. And the next one, this is also the same like the book over here, and it also has the same sandal colored pages. And look over here, this is the tiny notebook. How does it look? So tiny, isn't it? I can write only one word inside it. It is that much tiny. Look, it can only fit in my fingers. And this is also the same tiny book, but it has a cover like a school book which we made over here. This is more tinier than this book. Can you see it? It looks nice, isn't it? And I have a gift for you, and this is the card I'm giving to you. Smile Factory, always be happy and always smile. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the bell button so that you get notifications, and share this share to your friends and relatives.